Mother's Day 2023, and we've taken a few moments away from the barbecue to fish a section of Fish Creek in Point Rock, New York. I just caught a 12.5-inch brown trout, and Jonah's about to get into one of the biggest browns I've ever seen pulled from a creek, a 16 3/4-inch brown.
Keep your rod tip down. Walk it up the shore.
I'm kind of forgetting here that Jonah can't hear a single word I say. The rapids there make it impossible to hear somebody just 20 feet from you. But what I'm trying to describe to him is to walk with his pole and bring the fish up into the shallow area, which he does a good job of, but you'll see he gets into a little bit of a predicament when he tries to pick the fish out of the water versus kind of pivoting his body and using gravity and bringing it up on the land.
Jonah, bring it up into shallow water on the other end. Pivot it.
I honestly can't believe he caught that fish after it fell off the hook. I thought we were going to have a no video after that. Amazing that he was able to recover the fish as it fell off the hook. If he had just brought it up into that shallow pool there, he probably could have just dragged it up into the shore versus trying to pick it up out of the water. The fish's weight significantly increases as soon as you pull them out of water.
More than 6 inches, obviously. That's gotta be it. More. 12. That's gotta be at least 15 inches.
Hold it up.
16? Wait, it's
Hold it up. I want to see get a picture of it.
It's 15. That's bigger than Glen's. 1 inch.